Hey guys, this is AK. In the last video, we saw training number 1 for teens and beginners. If you haven't watched that video yet, the link is in the description box. After watching this video, definitely watch that video. So today we will see training number 2. Let's get started. So the second part we have to train is core. Friends, we need to train core because it keeps our lower posture right, gives us the strength to stand straight for a long time, prevents lower back pain, and also helps in doing push-ups. So for this also we have to do only 3 steps. Step number 1, free movement. In this we have to do cat-cow stretch and glute bridge. Now, what is the right way to do them? In the cat-cow stretch, for cat pose, you have to keep your face down. Bend your back outwards. Don't open your hands this much. Open it full, like this, and press your hip inwards. For cow pose, keep your face up and bend your back inwards. Now in glute bridge, all you have to do is press your hip inwards and hold for 5 seconds. Then release. Then hold. Then release. Don't arch your back. Just press your hip and nothing else. Cat-cow stretch we have to do 20 reps daily. 10 reps cat and 10 reps cow. And glute bridge we have to do 10 reps daily with 5 seconds hold in each rep. Step number 2, plank. In this we have to do full plank, elbow plank, and side planks, left and right. Do it from both sides. Now, what is the right way to do them? In full plank, you have to come to this position. Keep a shoulder distance gap between your hands, not a wide gap. After that, open your hands full and squeeze your hip inwards. Now in elbow plank, you have to come to this position, holding a shoulder gap between your elbows, not wide. In this also, you have to open your hands fully and squeeze your hip. You can keep your hands in 3 ways, this way, or this way. And yes, in both the planks, you have to keep your feet like this. A lot of people will ask you to do elbow planks this way, but I will recommend this because this position trains your core as well as your serratus muscle that increase your shoulder mobility, so your chances of getting shoulder injury will be reduced. That's why this position is the best. Now in the side plank, you have to come to this position. Don't lift your body that much. Lift it fully. You can put your hands like this or this. Full and elbow plank, you have to do 2 sets of 1 minute each, at least 3 times in a week. And side planks, you have to do 1 minute on each side, at least 3 times in a week. Step number 3, plank lift. In this we have to do step-up planks and side plank lift, left and right. Do it from both sides. Now, what is the right way to do them? In step-up plank, you have to start from the elbow plank position, then step up and go to the full plank position, then elbow plank, then full plank, will go on. In this also, you have to keep your feet this way and squeeze your hip inwards. Now in the side plank lift, you have to come to the side planks position. Then you have to go down without touching the ground. And when you're going upwards, go fully, not that much. Fully up. You have to do like this. In this also, you can put your hands in 2 ways. Step-up plank, you have to do 2 sets of 1 minute, at least 3 times in a week. And side plank lift, you have to do 1 minute 15 seconds on each side, at least 3 times in a week. Friends, maybe you can't do as many minutes at one time, as I said. So what you can do, slowly increase your time. First 30 seconds, then 45 seconds, then 1 minute, and then as much as I said. So this much today. See you in my next video, training number 3 for teens and beginners. So friends, love you all. Take care. Bye-bye. Like, subscribe and share.